also have Sir Edwin Pedrano from Guardians Brotherhood. Thank you so much for coming over, sir. And of course, same chapter, Ma'am Evelyn Alcover Delica. Thank you so much, ma'am, for coming over. We have also Ma'am Marisa Alcover. Thank you so much, ma'am, for coming. And of course, from Bantay Bayan, we have Sir Rafael Almario Jr. Thank you so much, sir. And of course, our officers from CCPO Coalition. We also have from Yes Earth Patrol, Sir Riti Subing-Subing. Sir, mayong hapon, sir. And of course, our very active, beautiful, hardworking focal person, Secretary of Coalition, none other than Madam Maria Jenna Isamparado. Ma'am, good afternoon, ma'am. At this juncture, since our guests were already acknowledged and the rest of the officers,